everybody, it's me, Frenchie Faith. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be recording for my mom, or with my mom. So we are going to be making some African jama. So yeah, we're just going to be showing you guys how. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do, you want to have your bags of jama. You put them into a pot or jama or spinach. And you put it into a pot. It's gonna still be frozen. You can even see the frozen steam, but we're going to put warm water in it, and it's gonna be defrosting. Okay. So
let's go through the spices.
You're going to be putting your warm water, and as you can see, yes, it's defrosting. You can see the steam there.
Okay, that's it. What's this here? I want to show you everything I'm using.
Okay.
I like the spices.
Guys, I'm recording.
That's what. Pause. Are you pause?
Okay, not yet. Okay guys, so here are the ingredients we're going to be putting with the jama. Here we have a typical onion. We have some pepper and we have garlic. We're going to be blending this together. Over here, like I said, this is the Egusi. It looks weird, but it's very tasty. And over here, like my mom likes to say, Maggi, it's the tastiest thing ever when you put it in your food. It just gives so much flavor. So we're going to be doing that. And then we have some crayfish here that we're also going to be putting in the jama. This might look, but don't worry, it's going to taste really good. I'll also show you guys the after results. And then we have some pure vegetable oil here too. Okay guys, so I have my kitchen glove here. So I already showed you guys the ingredients.
Don't forget to take a look at the plantains right now.
Okay guys, so I have my kitchen gloves here. I've already showed you guys the ingredients, so now we're going to be moving on to the other stuff. So over here we have our chicken. It's strong chicken. This is what I have my glove for. I'm just gonna be opening it a little bit. First, you boil your strong chicken. This will give us some chicken broth, and you put salt and Maggi in this one. Then over here we have some boiling ripe plantain. There's also some extra over here. I just want to tell you guys, ripe plantain is the bomb. It's the best thing you will ever have, especially with jama. Eat it together and it tastes so good. So I will fast forward to the time where we'll be putting the jama, the spices, and the other stuff into one big pot. Okay, hey guys, it's me again. So, we are now going to be putting the jama in with the Egusi.
It's all cooked.
So, yeah, it's all cooked.
The Egusi is cooked, and oil has been added. Now, you want to show your body?
Okay. So here's the jama.
Just
And yep.
You sprinkle a little bit. You talk.
So my mom is sprinkling it in, and then we're gonna mix it later.
Yeah.
Then we have another one there.
Are you showing the mixing?
To me, that looks delicious. I don't know about you.
Slowly until I get what I want. So we have the overnight. Guess what? That's pretty soft. I would like to use a wooden spoon.
Now we're going to be using the wooden spoon instead.
Deliciosos. Put mine down right there. Okay, I'll put the last leg. And next.
So this is like one of the last ones. Yeah. She's putting more of the jama in until she gets a good consistency. Then we're just going to leave it to cook, I guess.
So like 5 to 10 minutes to simmer.
Mhm.
The laundry will simmer.
Yeah. So once again, I will see you guys when the food is ready. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so here is the ripe plantain. It's all of our favorites. Like I said in the beginning, ripe plantain is the bomb. So yeah, this is for us. I'm guessing this one is mine. So now it's to put finished and fresh jama. Okay guys, so here's my food. We have the egusi and the white plantains with the chicken drumstick. It is going to be very good tasting, I can tell, but yeah. So I hope you guys like this video of me and my mom cooking this. And I also hope that if it helped you to cook, then good for you. You're a cook now. So I will be putting the ingredients, if you guys didn't hear it, in the description below. I'll also be putting my mom's channel in there, so make sure to go and subscribe to her. But that's it for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos like this one. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!